I think just based on names itself, I'm actually gonna go for Olimpia in this one. I think it's gonna be a really tight game because I think both these two teams can really match each other up. But I think Olimpia do it. I think Olimpia do win it. I'll say probably 1-0. Benedetto gets his first official goal for Olimpia in this game. Fede, what do you say?
It is so hard to predict this one, right? Because it is the first game of the season. We have no idea what kind of team Olympia is going to put, especially on defense, guys. I mean, that's going to be a totally new defense. He's been trying it out, and I think Libertad is the one that's actually coming in with a better structure. They didn't let go of that many players. Patito Aquino is a winning coach. He's shown that in his first games in Copa Paraguay. So I'm going to stick with Libertad on this one, even though I did do believe it is going to be a very tight one. Even it might go down to penalties or just win it by just a goal. That's what I think. That's what I believe.
Yeah, I think definitely a close game. You're not going to get something like the 4-0 when Olimpia played Libertad in the Clausura, which was, I think, towards the end of Ariel Galeano's time there. But I think you've got a better team structure from Libertad for sure. They seem to struggle a bit last year deciding what they were going to do, especially defensively, like how they were going to set up. So I think we'll get a tight one. If I had to pick, I think I'll go for Olimpia. I think Olimpia, when it comes down to big games, they're usually the team that you're going to back and want to go for. So I think Olimpia continue this winning run under Palermo and they get another title.